Hello gentlemen, this is Showman from Oil and Gas Field Quality Control. Today I am going to introduce one new standard and its series, which is basically a guideline, and it is prepared by International Association of Oil and Gas Producers. Why these standards are important I will discuss in detail, and this will be a series of 3 or 4 videos. So International Association of Oil and Gas Producers, in short named as IOGP. This IOGP is now being the reference of a lot of oil and gas producers, namely Saudi Aramco, which is the world's largest oil and gas producer. They are releasing their latest 2023 standard with the reference of IOGP in their standard. So we must know what is it. So let us start the introduction. IOGP is telling that they are celebrating their 50th anniversary in 2024. IOGP is with us since 1974. They founded as the E&P Forum in London, UK, and then 1987 published their first comprehensive collection of global safety performances indicators. They opened their first Brussels office at 1992. 1999 became the International Association of Oil and Gas Producers. The name was OGP. They published first set of life-saving rules in 2008. 2010 they launched Global Industry Response Group of GIRG. Then 2014 they finally take their present name as IOGP. 2016 they established Engineering Leadership Council and initiated this JIP 33, this standard. 2020 they joined publication with IPICA and API on sustainability reporting guidance. As you can see in the slide, this is their website. If you want to access www.iogp.org. And if you go to the About Us section, what they are telling us is IOGP is an international association of oil and gas producers which are enhancing the understanding of the contribution oil and gas make, as well as the critical role gas and industry plays in the energy transitions to a low carbon energy future. For almost 50 years, the IOGP has been proactive voice for the upstream oil and gas industry. Since the earliest days, IOGP used that voice to advocate for policies that support their members so that they can provide the safe, secure energy supplies to the society needs. See how IOGP introduces themselves. IOGP says, "We are the global voice of our industry, pioneering excellence in safe, efficient and sustainable energy supply and enabling partner for a low carbon future. Our members, integrated energy companies, national oil companies, independent upstream operators, service companies and industry associations operate around the globe, supplying over 40% of the world's oil and gas demand. For almost 50 years, we have been serving the upstream industry as a unique forum to share know-how and good practices in the area of safety, health, environment, engineering, and now industry and energy transitions. We work with over 2,250 experts from our member organizations to identify and share knowledge and good practices to improve performance across the industry." IOGP, how much global do you think are they? From their 4 regions, America, Europe and Middle East and Africa, IOGP addresses a variety of stakeholders including international and regional bodies, authorities, regulators and the broader public. IOGP Europe provides an essential conduit for the advocacy and debate between our industry and European Union and its policymakers. Their other regional offices seek to represent their members' interests, deepen their existing relationships and support industry adoption of IOGP and international good practices. They have a lot of publications and guidelines and report. IOGP is continuously releasing publications, standards, reports, guidelines. All are free to use. As per them, the more they are used, the more efficiencies they will create across in our industry. Here we are interested about their standards, and references from IOGP standards are being adopted by major oil and gas producers into their in-house standard, which we need to follow day by day basis. So you can see from their website, if you see their standards, their name is JIP 33 and JIP 35. Our point of interest is JIP 33, where basically the welding related standards. So we will go through those standards in series of videos. Standardization. JIP 33 industry days and online webinars boost dialogue on greater standardization and collaboration, helping enable the supply chain to become better, cheaper and faster, making the industry more competitive and a more attractive investment proposition. The Geomatics Committee works with international bodies to help develop and adopt standards to manage, coordinate reference systems. It also organizes industry days and online webinars, helping to grow the status as a geometric authority within the energy industry. It is promoting the benefits of oil and gas. Although the major use of petroleum is for fuel, petroleum and natural gas are often employed to generate electricity, there are many other uses. IOGP has created infographics and web pages to show these uses and help increase understanding of how the oil and gas industry works and the role it plays in society today and into the future. JIP is basically joint industry program where feedback is being accepted from the general users or from the company, from end users, from the proponent or from the owners. JIP 33 archive in the IOGP website. If you require a previous revision of any JIP 33 specification, you can refer to their archive. So you can visit www.jip33.org and you can download the standard. For your reference, I can put a link of these standards in my YouTube video. This is a glance of some standards they already published. You can see out of this we will be discussing basically S705 welding of the pressure containing equipment and piping to API recommended practice 582 in next few of my video. Here is the standard we are interested to discuss in our channel, because my channel is about the pipeline and piping, welding. You see IOGP S705 is the main standard, and there is 705D is data sheet, 705L is information requirements for welding, and 705Q are specifically extracted quality requirements for welding. That's all guys, this was the basic introduction video. In the next video we will discuss the 705Q quality requirements. Here are the details on headquarters of IOGP and the website detail again. If you like the way of my teaching and if you really gain some knowledge from my videos, please do not forget to share my channel to your friends who are interested, and please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Signing off for today, Showman.